Hello, my name is Abigail Bain, and I am representing Team Lavender Seed Growth from a Cotton Ball. My team, who is not currently here with me today, includes co-principal investigators Addison White, Jack Crow, and Lila Meek. We are 7th grade students who attend Kerr Middle School. Our teacher facilitator is our 6th grade science teacher, Mr. Terry Briggs. We represent Burleson Independent School District in Burleson, Texas. Our team's experiment is lavender seed growth in microgravity. We propose to answer the question, can a cotton ball help germinate a lavender seed in the microgravity? Our question is, can a cotton ball help germinate a lavender seed in microgravity? This experiment answers our question because we can compare the different amounts of lavender germination with a cotton ball on Earth and in space. One of our problems we had was making sure the growth started and stopped in space. We accomplished this by designing a Type 3 FME mini lab with water to let it grow and formalin to kill the mold before returning it to Earth. Another problem we had was using the right amount of materials. This was a pretty big problem because if we used the wrong amount, it could ruin our experiment by making it hard to compare the two and might not stop germination if the formalin ratio was not correct. In these pictures, you can see us working on the experiment on the left. The first thing I'd like to discuss is why we chose a cotton ball instead of soil. The purpose of our group choosing a cotton ball is because we already knew a seed can germinate in soil and in a paper towel. We wanted to extend previous experiments to include a cotton ball as a germination medium. If a seed can germinate in the others, can the seed germinate in a cotton ball? There are many reasons for this experiment, such as whether or not lavender germinates in cotton ball in microgravity rather than on Earth. Additionally, if it can, we know that cotton is less dense than soil, so if we need to do it for future space travel, we can carry more of it due to it being less dense. In order for this to happen, we also need to know how long it takes to grow or even if it will grow in microgravity. We are currently planning a reflight due to failure of mini lab operation on the ISS and compromise of the original experiment. We received our mini lab back, but were unable to complete our harvest efficiently. The following was our plan for harvest. Our experiment required a Type 3 FME cotton ball and seed inside volume 1, approximately 1.5 centimeters, 2 milliliters of tap water in volume 2, and 2.4 milliliters of formalin in volume 3. First, we used a scalpel to slice open the FME from volume 1 to volume 2. Next, we had to allow the formaldehyde to air out for 5 minutes. Once completed, we used tweezers to pull out the germinated seeds from the FME tube. We separated the lavender seeds from the cotton ball, zeroed out a digital scale, and measured the mass of the germinated seed. And lastly, we measured the length of the germinated seed sprout. Our experiment is designed to answer the question, can a cotton ball help germinate a lavender seed in the microgravity? We expect the result to be that the lavender seed will germinate without using soil. We believe this because water is one of the most important items to help the plant grow. We are also expecting that the seed won't be plant-sized but will be able to germinate. The size of the mini lab, the lack of sunlight, and the introduction of formalin will only allow the lavender to reach germination stage. We believe this experiment, as we've designed it, will answer the question as to whether or not lavender seeds will germinate in cotton rather than soil. We would like to thank SSEP, NanoRacks, CASIS, the Texas Space Grant Consortium, Burleson Independent School District, Kerr Middle School, FedEx, and especially Mr. Briggs, our teacher facilitator for this proposal. Everyone mentioned here was helpful and necessary in ensuring this experiment was successful. Thank you. Are there any questions?
How will That's okay.
Any questions? Okay, thank you very much.